If Steam is showing a DLL error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix common Steam DLL problems step by step, including verifying game files, running Steam as administrator, repairing Visual C++ packages, fixing the steamui.dll error, checking antivirus conflicts, and running a system file scan. These steps can solve a lot of launch issues without needing a full reinstall, so stick with me until the end. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the easiest and most common fix, which is verifying your game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game that is giving you the DLL error, then click Properties. In the Properties window, select Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and compare them to the original version. If any files are missing, damaged, or corrupted, Steam will automatically download fresh copies. This is one of the best first steps because many DLL errors are caused by missing or broken game files. If that does not fix the issue, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Steam needs elevated permissions to access certain files correctly. To do this, close Steam completely first, then locate steam.exe on your computer, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After that, reopen Steam and test the game again. Running as administrator can help Steam write files properly and avoid permission-related DLL problems. Now let's move on to another very common cause, missing or outdated Microsoft Visual C++ files. A lot of Steam games and related components depend on Visual C++ redistributable packages to function correctly. If those files are damaged or outdated, you can get DLL errors. The fix is to download and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages directly from Microsoft. It is a good idea to install both the x64 and x86 versions if available, because different apps and games may use different versions. Once installed, restart your computer and try Steam again. This step often fixes DLL issues that seem random but are actually caused by missing runtime components. If the error you are seeing is specifically related to steamui.dll, there is a very useful fix for that too. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. Check the system tray, and if Steam is still running, open Task Manager and end any Steam-related processes. Once Steam is fully closed, go to your Steam installation folder. Inside that folder, look for a file named steamui.dll and delete it. Don't worry, Steam will usually recreate it automatically. After deleting the file, restart Steam. Steam should detect the missing file and re-download a clean copy during startup. This is one of the most effective fixes for the steamui.dll error. Next, you should check your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs mistakenly quarantine or block Steam DLL files, especially if they think a file looks suspicious. Open your antivirus quarantine or vault and see if the missing DLL file was moved there. If you find it, restore it immediately. After that, add your Steam folder to the antivirus exclusions or exceptions list so it does not keep blocking the same file again. This is a very important step because if your antivirus is interfering, the error may keep coming back no matter how many times you repair Steam. If you are still having trouble, the next step is to run an SFC Scan. SFC stands for System File Checker, and it helps repair corrupted Windows system files that can cause program errors, including DLL issues. To do this, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and run it as an administrator. Then type SFC/Scan now and press Enter. Windows will now scan your system files and try to repair anything broken automatically. This process may take several minutes, so let it finish completely. When it is done, restart your computer and check Steam again. At this point, one of these fixes should usually solve the Steam DLL error. In most cases, the problem comes down to a missing file, a permission issue, antivirus interference, or a damaged system component. The key is to work through the steps one by one, starting with the simplest and moving toward the deeper repairs. If you want more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next fix. And if this solved your problem, leave a comment and let me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.